Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 6 in exercise 14.1. So now we are going to solve this problem by using two methods. One is step deviation method and another one is assumed mean method. Just I am solving by using these two methods to show that the final answer will always be the same, whatever may be the method. So here the problem is the table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. So this is the daily expenditure and number of households are given. So here we are going to find the mean by suitable method. So now in this problem we are going to select our own method. So first I start with step deviation method, then later I solve the same problem using assumed mean method. So as we all know, first we will write down the formula for step deviation method. You see here, this is the formula. So x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi ui divided by summation of fi into h. So based on these values, we can frame the table. So here what are all the given data? The two columns which are given in the problem is daily expenditure in rupees and another one is number of households. That is FI is given. So the rest of the things we have to find by ourselves. So here the thing is, what is the unknown thing here? You see, we need to find UI. So UI is, that is summation of FI UI. So here frame a column for FIUI. So what is UI? UI is nothing but DI by H. What is DI? DI is nothing but XI minus A. So we don't know what is XI. Therefore we are framing a separate column for XI. Right. So based on the formula, you can frame the number of columns in the table. So first write down the things which are given in the problem. The next thing is xi is nothing but finding the average since they are given in the form of intervals. So here in this case 100 plus 150 is 250. 250 by 2 gives you 125. Similarly 200 plus 150 is 350. So 350 by 2 will gives you 175. So similarly here 450 by 2, 225 and here it is 550 by 2, 275 and here it is 650 by 2 which is 325. Now the next step is we are going to select the value of A. So count how many terms we are having. So here we are having 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can easily select the value of A which is nothing but the middle term. So here the value of A is 225. So here even you can write xi minus 225. So here this is the value of xi. So 125 minus 225 gives you minus 100. Similarly 175 minus 225 gives you minus 50. So 225 minus 225 0 and 275 minus 225 gives you 50 and 325 minus 225 gives you 100. So this is the value of di. And the next thing is ui. So ui is nothing but di by h. So how to calculate the h here? So h is nothing but the difference between these two values. That is 150 minus 100 is 50. Similarly 200 minus 150 is 50. So here the value of h is 50. So here you can write di by 50. So what is di? This is your di. So minus 100 by 50 minus 2. Minus 50 by 50 minus 1. Again 50 by 50 and 100 by 50. So here these are all the values of ui. And the next thing is fi ui. So here we have fi and here is our ui. So just multiply. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 12 into 0 0. 2 into 1 2. 2 2s are 4. And the next is we have to find a summation. So summation of fi ui. So here I believe you people know how to add, right? So here 4 plus 2 gives you plus 6 and what about 8 plus 5? This gives you minus 13. Right, minus 13 plus 6 gives you the answer minus 7. So here summation of fi, when you add all these terms, the answer is 25. So I have already told, right, how to calculate h. Here you can take any interval, right? You have to find the difference, that's it. So here it is 50. And by step deviation method, so this is the formula. You know the value of A, you know H, you know all these things. So just substitute the values. So A is 225. Summation of Fi Ui is, you see here it is minus 7. So minus 7 divided by summation of Fi is 25 and H is 50. So when you substitute, you see 50 and 25 they cancel by 2 times and 7 2s are 14. So 225 minus 14 gives you the answer 211. So this is the mean daily expenditure on food. So this is in rupees, right? So it is 211 rupees. Now we are going to solve the same problem by using assumed mean method. So again we start with the formula. So the formula is A plus summation of Fi di divided by summation of Fi. So here you see we know the value of Fi. Okay, this is given in the problem. So di we had already calculated, right? So here di, so it is just I am multiplying these two values. I had taken the value of di from the previously formed table, right? So Fi into di is written here. So now when you find the summation, here it is minus 350 and here it is 25. So again while substituting, you see the value of A, it remains the same. So A is 225 and FIDA is minus 350 and here it is 25. So minus 350 by 25, they both cancel by 14 times. So again 225 minus 14 gives you 211. So here the mean daily expenditure on food is again rupees 211. So here in this concept, that is based on this problem, we found that both the final answers they remain the same. So whenever you are asked to solve a problem by selecting your own method, you can use any method you wish. If it is given in the form of intervals, so there is no way we should always go by step deviation method or assumed mean method. So here the key thing to be noted here is, while framing the table, you should be very careful. That is, you have to read the problem twice after filling the tabulation. That is the thing which is given in the problem, or even after writing in the tabulation, check one more time whether you had written the numbers correctly. And then the thing is, the base thing is finding the value of xi, di, ui, everything. Here the thing is, if you make a small mistake in one thing, so this is the tabulation, right? So you can fill these two columns from the given problem. The next thing is finding xi. That is, even if you make a minor mistake in xi, that will resemble in all the three columns. Say yes or no, because each and every column is dependent on the other. So here while framing xi, okay, even after finding the values, again take 1 or 2 minutes and check whether this column is correct, and then you proceed with di, and again you have one more check, then ui, and then you can go for fi ui. Here the problems are very simple. Once you know the formula, it is very easy to find the final answer. But here the place where you people make mistakes are just in these columns, right? That is, do the problem relaxedly, check twice before proceeding or before finding the another column, right? That's it. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.